Bitcoin is humming. And yes, guys, we've done it again. We've done it again. And that's what I'm going to be breaking down for you guys in this video because this is an exciting time to be alive here in crypto. Bitcoin's price is getting another all-time high. We broke that $70,000 threshold, one where we look at it. And guys, if you look at some of the pundits out there, we talk about Peter Schiff, we talk about Jamie Dimon, some of the recent comments they've made. I'd really like to know how much Bitcoin they own because this is one that's absolutely fascinating as Bitcoin surges above 70K. And that's one where, guys, we're going to break down this exact article. We're going to get into what exactly is going on. And this is one where I'm going to take the time and share with you guys my thoughts because crypto is booming and we see it this weekend. We're really poised to have a great weekend on the charts. So let's get into it, guys, without further ado. And make sure you all subscribe down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Just crossed 5,000 subscribers. Thankful to you guys for being part of the team. And as always, if you have not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button and let's get down into it. So just to preface this all, not financial advice. Please your own research and due diligence with everything crypto in the channel. But we're looking at the crypto market, and we can look at the broader sense of it. I sorted it by days, seeing some huge gains. Look at WorldCoin, 48%, Floki 26%. But I wanted to talk more so about Bitcoin and the overall crypto market as we look into the top 100. Bitcoin, guys, right here, 10+% on the week. And right now we're looking at it currently trading hands at that 68.3 level, okay? So we saw Bitcoin cross over that 70,000 level just ever so briefly, okay? Just ever so briefly back earlier in the day. And since retreating to that 68.3 level, so that's going to be a huge psychological barrier for Bitcoin, okay? I think we're all pretty much on board with that. Getting 70,000 as a new floor and moving higher, that's going to be the goal. But if it actually happens, that is yet to be determined. Okay, so this is the coin market cap. We're going to look at the chart, and you can see right how we just briefly crossed over that 70,000. Let's look at a 70.02. This was back on the 8th, just in the early morning Eastern Standard Time, where we saw that $70,000 crossover. And now we've kind of, we're continuing this uptrend, all right? This is not a sell-off. This is not a correction. This is all, if you zoom out, guys, and look at it from monthly, look how nice and bullish Bitcoin's chart looks, okay? You can't deny that. That's simply there, and it's guys, it's one where we look a year from now, if Bitcoin continues this trend, I mean, are we talking $100,000 Bitcoin and beyond? Okay, so I know Bitcoin's not 70,000 at the time of recording. That's why it's important to understand that when we record these, a lot of times you see them downstream. So don't always take the prices we talk about as real-time information. Always do your own research and homework. Okay, but this is a perfect opportunity to segue into today's channel sponsor. This is our friends at Cryptonomy. Okay, so what they do is, and especially during this huge market, and I do want to let you guys know, full disclosure, this is a demonstration account, and for those purposes, this is Cryptonomy, and what they do is they specialize in basically high interest rewards, staking rewards, okay? And this is one where you look at them being primarily a venture fund. They allow you to earn some extremely high interest. So for this matter, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. All right, we're going to put in a little bit of Bitcoin, right, just for demonstration purposes. We're going to put in 0.1, or we'll do the maximum amount of Bitcoin just for demonstration purposes. And we're going to deposit this, okay, with a 24.72% APR. Boom. Here we go. And that's a flexible deposit. Now, also, you can deposit in a fixed manner. Now, fixed manners allow you to have a more high interest. You earn more rewards if you do a fixed deposit, okay? And that's where you can earn up to 153% APY using this within Bitcoin. And it goes on and on, guys. They offer a lot of great cryptos. It's something where I've had a lot of people sign up for this, and I can kind of track my referral counts and see the success that people have been having. Extremely excited for those people that were able to stake some crypto on Cryptonomy, and what they've done is I've seen that I've actually can see their balances go up. And outside of being a channel sponsor, I really don't have any more access to that, but it's something where people have been experiencing a lot of gains. And this is where you look into the launch pool. That's something where also you can do is compound even more and more interest. Okay, this is one where you look at what they can do from a launch pool standpoint. Look at the gains, guys, and I actually have a position opened already in this demonstration account where it's a bronze level, and what we're doing is earning 1 to 5x, and with a contract end date of December 19th, 2024. And since that time period, since I began doing that, I've gained $12,976 USDT in this demonstration account. So yes, it is kind of just play money when I wanted to do this, but huge rewards and opportunity within Cryptonomy, and also very good customer service. If you need anything on that front, use their website. But this is one where what better time than not to join and stake on this platform? Because when crypto's heating up and you're riding your crypto into the bull cycle, why not let it earn rewards along the way? So check it out. Do your due diligence. If you're into Cryptonomy already, let me know your feedback down below. I'm curious to hear your guys' response. If you have any suggestions, as well as always interested to hear what you guys are into from a staking perspective, okay? But that's what we got going on. Check out Cryptonomy. Links down below. And back into the news, because this is one where we look into this exciting story. Days after we broke through that $70,000 mark, this is where you see the interest. We've seen the open interest within crypto, within Bitcoin, right? And you got to remember, look back at the days of November 2022 when FTX collapsed. We saw a Bitcoin number around $16,000, all right? And kind of troubles me because I have a personal story where I made a $40,000 crypto investment way back when. And if I would have just bought Bitcoin right then and there, it really just kind of chaps me to see where that money would be as we're currently recording and I'm talking to you guys here on YouTube. But looking back, that's why we stay moving, stay positive, stay in the forward momentum. All right, never look back. All right, but this is where we look at Bitcoin, $70,099. Like I said, just eclipsed that market cap. In one where we look, this monster month, 60% in just 30 days alone. So it's kind of funny to get in those comments that I think Peter Schiff was the one who said it. How can you view Bitcoin and crypto as an asset, a valuable asset and a store of value when it loses 30+% overnight? Good point, but I can guarantee you a lot of his cronies and colleagues, for that matter, have they've been a passenger on the Bitcoin train this month where we saw these gains. I can guarantee you that. All right, especially with the Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock, Grayscale, all their involvement institutionally. That's one where you got to be living under a rock unless you don't believe that Jamie Dimon and Peter Schiff own Bitcoin, because I guarantee you in some form or fashion they have some exposure to cryptocurrency. Okay, that's neither here nor there. But guys, it's coming. We're not even here yet. The bull cycle. We're talking about Bitcoin halving, those historical trends, along with the presidential election 2024, in which I don't think a lot of people are talking about it enough. I think that's going to have a huge role in crypto. And guys, and gals out there in the chat, sorry, I get in a bad habit of saying guys, but it is what it is, and I apologize to all the women watching this video. I appreciate you all, as always. But this is one where we look into it even further, and it is just funny how this all starts up brewing when we get closer, start inching. State of the Union, Bitcoin, all-time high. It's just... the math makes sense. So for those of you that are, a little in that tin hat population, feel free to drop your comments down below as well as that. But we're going to continue this trend. I think it's what we're seeing. You can look at the crypto bubbles. I mean, what better way than to start off the weekend with a day with the top 100 cryptos looking like this? I know some of them are down, but for the most part, it's a green day in crypto. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Check out the links down below. Check out Cryptonomy. As always, drop your comments down below what you're doing. Also, if you're looking to get onboarding with a couple exchanges, Margex, BidFi, down below, links down below for my sign-up bonuses as well, and a couple other channel sponsors I have in the description. So appreciate you all. 5,000 subscribers. Couldn't have done it without you. The next stop is 10,000 and beyond, but we talk crypto every single day here on the channel. So make sure you guys are all subscribed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.